Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the second chapter of civics, that is role of government in health, which is an activity based chapter. In this chapter, the topic that we are going to cover are what is health, role of health, healthcare in India, and the types of healthcare facilities in India, that is private and public. So, first, you need to understand the meaning of the chapter Role of Government in Health. Here, government refers to the state government. You all know that there are three tiers of government: central, state, and Panchayati Raj system, which comes under the state government only. State means, suppose we live in the state Bihar. So, Bihar government will look after the things that is required to you as a state government, and the Bihar government is responsible for providing people living in Bihar the clean water and a healthy environment free from diseases and pollution. You would have a study definitely about the role of a state government, and health is one of the part of the government or the role of the government, state government. And since we live in a democratic country, we only elect government, whether it is central or a state government. So we as a citizen is responsible to, you can say, get the provision of education, health, employment, hospitals, housing facilities, good infrastructure, and many more. Now, what is health? So, health is a state of complete emotional and physical well being. The WHO also has defined health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease. Here, do you think only being physically and mentally well means a person is healthy? Do you think a person who is suffering from headache or who is not feeling well from inner soul, or someone who is feeling weak from inside, is healthy? No, that person too cannot be called as healthy. So health means you need to be remain you should have the ability to remain free from illness and injuries. Other than that, you need to be active as well as in good spirits anytime, always in a anxious mode, always in a energetic, you can say. Healthcare in India. So India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals, and the country also has considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. That you are well aware with the current situation, how government is taking care of its citizens. But if we will talk briefly, so the healthcare of India has two aspects, positive and negative. If we talk about the positive aspects, so India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is among the largest producers of doctors. That means we have the largest number of doctors in our country, and India is the fourth largest producer of medicines in the world. If we look after the current situation, so our medicines are being demanded all over the world, and India gets a large number of medical tourists also from many countries. Also, the health care facilities have grown substantially over the years. If we talk about the year 1950, there were only 2,717 hospitals in India, and which has grown in 2000 in the year 2000 to 18,218. But other than this, there are certain situations that comes in our country which you cannot ignore, and which will make you feel like how poor our country is in terms of health. With so many positive points, and we can see that there are a number of good things, good infrastructure, good number of doctors in our country, largest producer of medicines. Still, people are not being provided the proper healthcare facilities, and this is especially being suffered by the people living in rural areas. Most of the doctors, around 15,000 doctors, get qualified every year, but still, most of the doctors settle in urban areas, and people have to travel long distances and they have to come from rural area to urban area to reach a good doctor. About 5 lakh people, or there are many more, who die from different diseases, not only tuberculosis but dengue and many more diseases comes every year, by because of which people die. And also we are not able to provide clean drinking water to all the citizens of the country, and because of that also there are many diseases that takes place like diarrhea, hepatitis, and people suffer because of it as well. Also there are many people who does not get sufficient or adequate food to eat, or are undernourished, and they are not healthy in that terms. The story of Hakim Sheikh. So Hakim Sheikh is basically a person who is a member of Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti, PBKMS, which means an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. Paschim Banga means Paschim Bengal, which is West Bengal. So one evening in the year 1992, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He was going somewhere, or he was returning from his work, from his agricultural work, and when he was on train, he fell off from that train and he got an head injury. The injury was very serious, and he needed immediate treatment of that injury. So he was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata, but the hospital people refused to admit him. Why? Because they were not having a spare bed, enough bed they were not having. So he was asked to move to another hospital. And when he moved to another hospital, there also he was denied to be admitted. Why? Because the facility or the specialized doctors that was necessary for his treatment was not available in that hospital. And in doing so, he spent almost 14 hours himself in injury. In a critical stage he was there, and he was not being admitted to any hospital. Almost 8 different government hospitals he visited. Government hospital means those hospitals where expenses of that hospital are being borne by the state government. But none of those hospitals admitted this particular person, Hakim Sheikh, and finally was admitted to a private hospital where he received treatment. He spent a lot of money on his treatment. Why? Because private hospitals are expensive. Angry and upset over this indifferent attitude of all the hospitals that refused to admit him, Hakim Sheikh and this Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti filed a case in the court. This particular person, Hakim Sheikh, since is an agricultural laborer, does not have enough money to bear the expenses of his treatment, and so he wanted himself to get admitted in the government hospital. The expenses could be met by the government. That's all in this video. Thank you.